Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Before we start, hit that subscribe button now. Thank you very much for doing that. Okay, we're going to start off and we're going to create an array called login details, and of course it's going to be an empty array. So the next thing we're going to do is create a subroutine called login. This is the subroutine here. Just put there, so print username. Okay, so the user will type, yeah, that's right. The user will type in their username. So that's going to be my scalar username is equal to standard input. So the user can type in their username there, and then we're just going to do the chomp line. So username okay, and now we're going to get them to type in their password. So first of all we'll just ask them for it, password. Okay, and then that's going to be my scalar password. It's going to be equal to standard input. It's going to be chomp password. Okay, and then what we're going to do, we're going to use push here, which is going to push the details that the user entered into this login details array up there. So that's going to be login details, and that's going to be scalar username and scalar password. So it's going to push the username and the password into the login details array above. Okay, and then we're going to print out a message to the user. Print login details now stored in array. Okay, and now we're going to retrieve those login details. So it's going to be get login details. Okay, so we're going to do that. So now we're going to create another subroutine called get login details. Whoops. Okay, so this is the next subroutine that we're going to create. Okay, so we're going to type print, and we're going to say get login details. It's going to be yes or no, and just do that there. Oops. Login details yes or no, and then we're going to do my get details is going to be equal to standard input. So we type in yes or no into here, and we're going to chomp the details. Okay, chumping the details there. And now we're going to come on to our conditional statement. So if, and we're going to put LC, which stands for lowercase. So it's going to convert anything that's typed into there. So if anybody or any user types in something in uppercase, it's going to automatically convert it to lowercase. So if get details, let's see, if get details is equal to yes, and we're going to do something. We're going to, let's just move that there a little bit. So if lowercase get details is equal to yes, we're going to print please wait. Okay, and then we're going to do a little pause using the sleep, so we'll pause it for 1 second. Go away, I'm busy. The cat. Okay, so there we go. For each my scalar login, and we got scalar login details. And now got my scalar username, and we got scalar password. Is equal to login. Oops, I should have rounded that off there. I'm going to print username and username here, so it's going to print out the username, and finally we're going to print out the password, which is going to be password. And then under here we're going to do whoops and exit. Okay, now all that's left to do is simply call the program. So we're just going to save that and call the program. Okay, we've got one or two issues here that we're going to have to iron out. Okay, just refactored that a little bit now, so let's see if it works. We've got everything in there, get details, yep. Let's see if we can run the program. We've already saved it, let's just run the program. Okay, username, so let's type in a username, let's type in Dave, and password admin123. Okay, so login details now stored in the array. So what we put in there has now been stored in the array. All we've got to do now is come down here, and we've got the option to get the login details. So I'm going to type yes. Please wait. And there we go. Username is Dave. Password is admin. It should have been admin. Never mind. Typo. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. And if you did, give it a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.